Hello my friends, it's Eva here from Permaculture Haven, just out of my mandala garden. And here is the beautiful yakun, or the remaining of the yakun, which I just started to harvest the roots, and stopped, grabbed my camera to show you what we've got here, and also for my own records. So the yakun, it's dying off in winter. These are the dry bits which are left here, and I think I'm here as well, and I think I'm still pretty lucky to see some beautiful flowers and green leaves on it. So now let's have a look what we've got in here. How much can we harvest? And don't forget, if you like the video, to like, subscribe if you still didn't, and let me also know what you think. Your comments are always highly appreciated, and they also help to find our channel much better on YouTube. So now let's get into it. There are those little bits here which also taste delicious. I also already tasted them before, but they are perfect for the new growth. So I will let them in the ground, or maybe replant somewhere else as well, so the new plants can come in spring and give us more of this delicious veggie and also fruit. So there is a lot and lots of it, with all the little ones, which I will also leave so they can go on with the growing. These are still little, so they will go back into the ground. This is an old one, looks like, because I left the plant for 2 seasons without digging out. So probably that's why. And you can see the pinky or purple bits. This will be the new plant. New plant. So this is what I've got from this one place. I think it's not bad. And I also have plenty of the little bits here, and the root, including them, will go back into the soil. I will just clean these bits off, cut this off, and put it in. Oh, and there's some more there. So plenty. Yes, I could divide it as well, but not doing it with this one because this one got still nice and green leaves. So I will leave it there. And it can continue grow. And always when you replant or plant and put a new plant in, don't forget to water. And this is really important, so the roots get the contact with the soil. Washing your veggies in the tub, in the garden, saves you the water, so you can later on use it and water your veggies. I have planted 2 plants, the entire bits into their place here, where they were before, and these are the remaining pieces. I'll put some into the pots and replant somewhere else, And if you are interested, you might want to subscribe to my newsletter and grab some when it's available. And these are going into the kitchen now.